A furnace is fired with petroleum oil containing 80% carbon, 13% hydrogen, 3% sulfur, 1% nitrogen, 1%, and 3% oxygen. Calculate the mass in grams of the theoretical air per 100 grams of petroleum oil. Look at the given per 100 grams of petroleum oil. And since petroleum oil is in liquid form, my assumption would be that the basis is 100 grams of petroleum oil, right? So with this, what's the formula for theoretical oxygen if we are dealing with molar masses, with the masses? And can anyone remember? The formula that we have here is if it's given in terms of moles, but I'm giving you in terms of masses. Is that it? Percentages times mass? Hindi ba mass of carbon divided by 12 plus mass of hydrogen divided by 4, mass of sulfur, 32, minus mass of oxygen, 32, right? Okay. Or basically C over 12, H over 4, S over 32 minus O over 32. Can you please help me in filling this out? This is going to be all right. So can you please give me the answer? So 9.92 moles of O2, tama? Kasi ito, guys, ito, this is in moles. Bakit naging mole? Mass over molecular weight yan eh. Kaya moles. Eh, what I want here, guys, is mass of theoretical air per 100 grams of petroleum oil. Eh, di ang gagawin ko, 21 into 100 is ilang moles ng air to, guys? 9.92 times 100 over 21. How many moles is this? 47.24 mole of air. But what's being asked is the mass of air. Isn't it that 1 mole of air, ilang grams yon yung nilagay natin kanina? What's the molar mass of air? Very good. 29 grams. So ilan to? What's the answer, guys? 1369.96 grams of air for every 100 grams of petroleum oil. So this is your theoretical air needed. All right.